gonna be showing you waterfalls. We're at Horsetail Falls in Oregon. Come check it out. Waterfalls are kind of cool, but sometimes you have to hike to them to see them. Check it out, we just got to this bridge and look how the water flows. Check out the other side too. Sometimes water can't be in just a waterfall. Sometimes it can come from mountains like this. You see how the water is coming from right there, all the way flowing down to the river. This is the upper part of the waterfall. The base is all the way down there. It's super cool because you can walk under the waterfall and down to that little area. Check it out, it's almost a cave under here. Like and subscribe for more videos for Legendary Kids Unite.